you would just pick up. So offices on this side, there's only 2 here.
Okay.
The rest of these are all rooms.
Okay. Nice facility. Let's do a walkthrough. Come on.
Sure.
So, for example,
Yep.
there's stuff on the floor here. Should we dispose of all this?
Yeah, I would throw this away here.
Okay.
So,
And then you got these small freezers shit. Empty everything out of there, throw them away.
Yep.
The trash bins, I see those there. Okay.
Yep.
I'm going on memory. Let me make sure I have this right. Go on.
Yep, you're good.
Okay.
So basically, that's it for this office. You'd empty the trash can, pick up the trash off the floor, sweep it out.
Okay. Let's go across here now. What about here?
It's the same thing.
Trash cans,
So
sweep
if
the
there's any
floor.
trash, sweep the floor. That's it.
Okay. Nothing
And
else.
basically, this is all you're doing room to room.
And empty the waistband, paper baskets. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, and we're gonna go into resident rooms, and it's the same thing. Just sweep resident rooms.
Okay.
So, but not all the resident rooms are the same.
Okay.
So-
They vary degrees by what's inside there.
So
What about the linen and stuff? Throw it out.
the linen is going to be returned to the laundry room.
So we shouldn't touch it?
So what you need to do, there's bins. You can toss them in the bin and just push it down to the laundry room for us.
Show me that bin, please. Like
I
a
don't have it right
It's
now.
like a chute, right? It's like a
No,
chute.
It's a bin.
Oh, a walk bin, high bin. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine.
So I mean, anything that is furniture, equipment,
Mm-hmm.
or fixture, we're not touching. Basically, everything stays in place as is.
Yes, sir. But the waste paper basket will empty.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. And if there's like trash like this, you see this?
We'll get rid of that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All condiment type of items we'll get rid of.
I
Okay.
mean, it's nothing too big.
Okay. Go on. Okay.
You want to go room to room, every single room?
No. I'm just getting the feel of what's here. Okay.
So I mean, basically, this is all the same. This is all.
How many
rooms.
floors we got here?
So, on this side, this is the main floor, and
Okay.
there's downstairs. But downstairs doesn't have all resident rooms on this side. Okay, so I'll show you the other side of this.
Sure.
But we'll just do all the way down.
Come on. Let's do the walk. Let's do.
We have the nurses' stations.
What should we do at the nurse's station? Just get up all the debris,
Just get.
paper mints,
I would
commies.
say whatever trash is on the floor. If there's trash, like food trash on the counters, pick
Uh-huh.
up the food trash.
Okay.
The bathrooms, just pick the trash up, sweep the floors.
Sure.
This is like the med rooms. It's everything has been picked through. Just so you know, the needles that are here are closed; they're brand new.
Okay.
You can't throw those in the trash. Still, I would say, with that, I'll have to have somebody walk through and do a medical waste run.
And that's fine. Or we could just have a separate container set aside for them. And
Yeah.
we'll put them decipher.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if there's any needles, that it will have to be medical waste.
Okay, then we won't
regardless.
touch them. Or we'll just make a bin for them and let somebody else take them out the way.
Perfect.
That's fine.
Perfect.
Thank you. Okay.
So this is kind of more of the medication area. That's locked, but
No big deal. Let's
we
complete.
can make sure everything's all
Okay. And you want us in here next week.
Yeah.
And we can work with that too now.
Okay.
We can work with that too. If we work out all the final details, we'll put this together, okay?
Okay. So basically, these are all rooms here. We'll go down. There's a common area
Yes, sir.
down here.
Let's take a look at the common area. It's a nice facility too.
Yeah. This side was just renovated. So
Oh, really?
we
It's
just
nice
got-
too.
So, like I said, just sweep up the floors. If there's trash or anything, there's really not much down here.
Okay.
So that's it for here. And honestly, I wouldn't mop anything on this side. There's
We won't touch anything. Okay, if you
like
say it.
mopping.
Okay.
You know, I mean, there's nothing sticky or hazardous over here.
Okay.
Um,
Are you with the company or you were outside facility?
we were employed until the 28th of February.
I saw that on the news, okay?
And then on the 1st, we were all terminated, and then they contracted us. Which, yeah, I don't know who I work for, honestly.
Well, you worry about getting paid. What about us?
I'm still worried about getting paid.
You serious? Okay.
That's because, so if I were you, cash up front.
I'm going to do that anyway, okay?
Yeah.
I mean,
That's why I have my own business too, and that's what I do when I contract cash up front.
yeah, okay.
Especially if I'm putting money out.
A lot of crews in here, guy.
Yeah.
And how many days do we have to complete the project?
ASAP, so it's, you know, you can fit on the amount of days. This is a larger dining room
Let's take a look at this.
on this side.
Yes.
So basically just be sweeping up.
Uh-huh.
Linen, I wouldn't even worry about that linen stuff, but linens would go back to the downstairs to the laundry area.
Okay.
But right now in here, we're sorting resident clothes.
That's fine.
So anything like that's clothing wise in here right now, I don't touch.
I won't.
So,
I won't. Go on. Thank you.
and we'll go down here. This
Yes.
is all offices and therapy use
Okay.
areas. So even like these common areas, just do a quick sweep up.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Why don't you knock on that door first?
habits.
Okay. Okay.
Habits.
This is like the therapy room or the rehabilitation room or something? Yeah, I
this
see
is
that.
all
Okay.
therapy.
Okay.
So-
Okay.
But yeah, this is just sweep up really quick. I wouldn't spend too much time in there.
Thank you. Okay.
This is the back facility here. Basically just sweep the hall, come back.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Okay. These areas, all speech therapy, but they're just regular rooms.
But we're gonna go in there, right?
You're gonna go in all
We're gonna go in
areas.
every room in here.
Yep, every single room.
Okay. I mean, I like to work with you guys on this project too.
Yeah. So,
If we can get on the same page.
yeah. But basically, it's walking through. A lot of these rooms were offices.
Uh huh.
Everything we just walked past hasn't been used in a while. So this is now where offices start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These weren't used.
Okay.
This was not used. 7, 8 offices.
Uh huh.
And trash,
Okay.
clean up. And we're still going through and securing
That's fine. That's fine.
stuff, but by the end of this week we'll be done with that.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
So,
Okay.
then vacuum the floor there.
Uh huh. Mhm.
And like that stuff right there is all trash.
Okay.
So, and
We'll
this is our sensitive material bucket. But
So
we'll
we
take
won't
care of
touch.
that.
Okay, that's fine.
But that's just trash.
Now let me ask you this here too. Now,
Yeah.
all the trash is going to remain on site in a dumpster, right?
Yes.
On a recycle bin. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay.
Yeah. So if need be, what we can do is get a small roll off.
Now, just so you know, we do have the equipment to take this stuff away. Okay.
If you want to bid it like that. It's up to you how
okay.
you want to bid.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
have the on-site dumpster.
Okay.
or-
You have one here already right now, right?
Yeah.
If
But
we
it's
go
just
over
a smaller
capacity,
one.
we can talk about that. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, I would include just be cohesive with your bid. Just like this is what it is, and it's gonna be more than that.
Sure.
Just be upfront. That way
Okay.
you don't get burned at all. So. This elevator does not work.
Okay. So we won't bother with.
That's a bathroom.
Okay.
So this whole area, basically, you're just gonna sweep up all the debris in the rooms.
I came in this direction.
Yep, this is the front lobby.
And what's the other side now?
There's 3 offices back there.
What should we do in here?
Basically the same thing, just empty trash, pick up trash off the floor.
Vacuum the carpet?
Vacuum the carpets.
Okay. All the stationary banker boxes are going to be gone?
Yeah, we're working on that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, okay.
So, but yeah, well, they're still packing stuff up, but I can't let
Sure.
you record in
No,
there.
no.
And office here,
Uh-huh.
just sweep up, kind of clean up a little bit.
When we come in here, will all this documentary material, paperwork be gone? Or should we throw it away?
That's what we're working on. From
Okay.
my understanding, they don't want us to clean out desks. They don't want us to do anything special.
We won't go in those drawers, okay?
Yeah. So if there's, like I said, if you see food items,
We'll get rid of that for
I
sure.
would throw the food items
Yeah,
away.
yeah, that's perishable goods.
Yeah. Other than that, I wouldn't stretch my back too much. You know what I mean? I wouldn't go too far. But these are all the resident rooms. These are a little bit larger on this side.
Now, leave the linen, just the trash and sweep the floor, right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, just making sure, okay?
That's
Thank
the
you.
same thing.
Uh-huh.
But all these rooms on the other side are double rooms like this.
Okay.
So you have. Oh, man. close to 40 rooms on this side.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Now, we don't have to go no further. All I need to know is who's the contact person and who to coordinate this with and talk about the,
Yeah.
setting up the
Well, I want to show
schedule.
you downstairs.
Come on,
too.
let's go.
So, because there's some things on there that aren't so clear. So, there's this floor.
Okay.
So, then there's an upstairs to this side. Okay. So, imagine this floor, same thing, makeup, upstairs.
Okay,
And then there's a downstairs.
okay, let's go see it.
And that's what I'm talking about.
We'll get rid of that stuff too. Sure we will.
That's just the obvious things, you know what I mean?
It look like some sugary goods somebody spilt.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like I said, 3 floors on this side.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go to the basement.
Let's go to the basement. So what's your new endeavors with your career now?
Don't know yet.
No?
Yeah. Don't know yet. Taking a week off for sure. Before I do
Go soak up some sun, hey?
Yeah, something. gotta make it easy.
Right.
Oh,
That's a big outfit. I'm surprised a buckle like this.
yeah. Yeah. So on this side, this area has been closed down for about a year.
Really?
But I would just do a quick walkthrough, make sure nothing's on the floor. I wouldn't spend much time here.
Okay.
There shouldn't be trash anywhere. There shouldn't be anything. I'll just do a
Okay.
quick walkthrough, make sure it's done.
All debris will be removed, okay?
Yeah. So
All linen will remain where it is.
the only thing is, the only office that was used on this side was this conference room.
Now this stuff is garbage, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all. They can garbage.
And this
that.
is all garbage in here too.
This everything on the floor is garbage.